This keyboard promises a lot, claiming to be the perfect blend of gaming prowess and typing comfort. But can it really deliver on both fronts? Let's dive in and see if this NEWNAN orange-blue switch keyboard is the upgrade you've been waiting for. First off, the look. The orange and black color scheme is definitely striking, giving it a bit of personality beyond the typical black keyboard. It's a nice touch that adds a bit of flair to your desk setup. But beyond aesthetics, the real magic is under the keycaps. These are blue switches, and if you're familiar with mechanical keyboards, you know what that means. That satisfying tactile click with every press. For typists, this is often the holy grail, offering audible feedback that can genuinely speed up your workflow and make typing feel more engaging. And for gamers, this keyboard boasts NKRO or N-key rollover. What this means in plain English is that no matter how many keys you mash down simultaneously during an intense gaming session, the keyboard will register every single one. This is crucial for fast-paced games where split-second reactions and complex key combinations are the norm. It ensures you won't miss a crucial command, keeping you in the game and in control. The brand also highlights its ergonomic design, with specially shaped keycaps and a keyboard shelf. This is something that often gets overlooked, but for anyone who spends hours at their computer, whether for work or play, comfort is paramount. The idea is to keep your fingers and wrists in a natural, relaxed position, reducing strain and fatigue. After spending some time with it, there's a noticeable difference in how comfortable it feels, especially during longer typing or gaming sessions. It's a thoughtful addition that shows they've considered the user's well-being. Beyond the core typing and gaming features, the inclusion of rich multimedia shortcut keys is a welcome convenience. Simple operations for volume control, playback, and other common tasks are readily accessible, streamlining your workflow and making it easy to switch between tasks without interrupting your flow. It's those little touches that elevate a good keyboard to a great one. Overall, the NEWNAN orange-blue switch keyboard seems to strike a really good balance. It offers that satisfying mechanical feel and gaming performance that enthusiasts crave, while also providing the comfort and efficiency needed for everyday work. It's a solid contender for anyone looking for a versatile mechanical keyboard that can handle both intense gaming marathons and long typing sessions with equal aplomb.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.